Hello. Again.
Leo, there's other people videotaping. You have to keep your voice down.
I got it. Sorry, I gotta keep my voice down. We're gonna chase that train for the last time. This is my last spot. I'm gonna get it. This crossing has 2 tracks. Okay, got it. I don't even see the light.
There isn't lights at this one, bud.
Oh, okay. This is my last chance I'm gonna do this.
I said that's close enough.
I'll go stand right here.
You see it?
I don't see it yet. If you see the light, let me know. There's a switch track that goes this way. Oh, somebody videotapes there before. Well,
Yep, there you go.
well, I paused the video for a minute and then look over here. There's a light. I'm about to stay back.
You talk too much. Shh.
There it is. I can't wait to show my friends. Cover your ears. Get ready, guys. There's my boy. Oh, they're waving at me. Off to the yard at Bellefonte to switch. And then he'll be done. Like and subscribe to Jessica Horn's page.